The great digital bank showdown. Is another challenger better than Starling? Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the dial-up era? Long queues, nonsensical fees, and statements that look like hieroglyphics. Sound familiar? That's why challenger banks like Starling burst onto the scene, promising a revolution in mobile-first banking. But with so many options popping up, is Starling still the king of the digital bank castle? Or has another challenger risen to the throne? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep to see if there's a bank out there that can dethrone Starling. The contenders, Starling in the spotlight. Let's start by acknowledging Starling's reign. Their app is sleek and user-friendly, offering features like instant spending notifications, fee-free international spending, and a decent interest rate on your balance. They even boast a strong reputation for customer service. But is that enough? Here's the thing, the challenger bank scene is a gladiator arena. New features and competitive rates are constantly emerging, so Starling needs to stay on its toes. Round 1, Budgeting Brawlers. For many of us, budgeting is the battle cry. Here, Starling might face a challenger in Monzo. Monzo offers category budgeting, letting you allocate funds for groceries, entertainment, and that shoe addiction we all share. Plus, they claim to get your salary a day earlier, which can be a game changer for cash flow. Round 2, Interest Rate Intrigue. Looking to make your money work harder? This is where things get interesting. While Starling offers a respectable interest rate, challenger banks like Chase might raise an eyebrow. Chase boasts a cashback feature on everyday purchases, essentially putting a little money back in your pocket with every swipe. Round 3, the International Showdown. Travel enthusiasts, listen up. Traveling the globe shouldn't mean getting gouged on fees. Starling shines here with their fee-free international spending. However, Wise might be a worthy contender. Wise offers multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates, making those international adventures a breeze on your wallet. Round 4, Feature Frenzy. Beyond the core functionalities, some challenger banks bring unique features to the table. Starling might be outmatched here. For example, some banks offer financial wellness tools or investment options directly within their app. The verdict, a draw, but keep your options open. So, is there a clear winner? The truth is, it depends on your banking priorities. Starling offers a solid all-rounder experience, but depending on your needs, a different challenger bank might be a better fit. Love to travel? Wise could be your champion. Budgeting a priority? Monzo might be your knight in shining armor. Craving features and high interest rates? Chase could be your challenger of choice. The beauty of the digital bank revolution is choice. Don't be afraid to explore your options and see which challenger bank best suits your financial goals and lifestyle. Remember, you're not locked in, you can have multiple accounts to maximize the benefits each bank offers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.